course, the biker made a mistake by overtaking this area, but nothing justifies the driver's behavior.
Hey, dude, that's not cool. I don't give a you don't do that. My life. My life. That's my life. Hey, you don't do that, dude.
I'm not causing any problems, man.
You swerved at her, dude.
No, I didn't. I didn't know what you guys were
All he
doing.
did was pass you.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. He don't know what he's doing. Let's go.
Hold on. And that's gonna be a big deal. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead, get it. Go ahead, get all that. No, you almost killed my life, so I'm getting your tag.
It doesn't matter. I got him on camera. I'm recording right now.
Got a GoPro.
He swerved at you. Get out of his window. Get away from his window. Let's go.
Let's leave.
I got him on camera. Let's go. You alright?
Dude, that scared me.
I know. I got it.
Even despite the good visibility, the driver didn't hesitate and deliberately cast the biker off.
Pulled out right in front of that bike, dude. Hey, I saw that pull out in front of you. Is that what happened?
Oh, no.
Oh, I was like,
Hey, watch your right there.
thanks, bud.
Okay.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Watch out for those idiots.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
The bikers didn't expect the wind to do damage. They managed to save a few bikes at the last moment.
Tego się nie spodziewałem. W ostatniej chwili. Czekaj, przestawimy tam.
An elderly woman almost drove into a group of bikers. Despite this fact, they decide to calm the situation.
Alright. Okay. Alright. You're good. It's okay. We're all safe, but just be careful. Hey, it's alright. Can you get home safe? You sure? Alright, you don't need anybody to drive you? You just came really close to some of us. What happened?
She almost hit us. Really? Yeah.
Yeah, you almost hit like 6 of us. Okay, it's good.
Alright, we're good.
It's good. Hey, it's okay. Just get home. Make sure you watch out for bikes. We have a ride. We're on motorcycles.
Dude, she doesn't know what's going on.
Let's get out of the way. Don't let her leave.
No,
Oh yeah, well,
she can't.
hit all of us, so we turned around to make sure.
She can't drive, dude.
Angry at us, or
Did you see that?
What even happened?
Dude, she almost hit me, dog.
It's okay.
Dude, so close.
It's okay.
Oh my, I thought.
Make sure you watch.
Oh yeah, dog. Everything.
At that speed, even 30 miles an hour, if you hit any of us, we could be dead. It's okay. What's your name? Ottinger? I'm Justin. Hey, it's nice to meet you. Please, just be careful, okay?
Vale muito a pena sim, em 2019, tá ligado?
The driver's astonishing maneuver unfortunately didn't spare this biker and didn't give him a better chance to react.
Valeu! Como é que você entra ali, tiozão? Pelo amor de Deus, ei! Como é que é? Vou montar a moto aqui. Deixa eu montar a moto.
I was about to overtake him and he was taking a right turn. I was about to overtake him and he was taking a right turn.
Yeah, I know.
When this driver checked in his mirror, the biker was in a blind spot. Fortunately, then clarified the situation peacefully.
Ah, vous avez un beau spectacle, les gars.
Ça va?
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.